Living with constant shoulder pain sounds miserable. If you're ready for some relief, Dr. Kevin Kruse says he can help. He joins us today with Taylor Rose, who, like many of Dr. Kruse's patients, was dealing with pain and needed it to change. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
All right, so Taylor, tell me how you actually found Dr. Kruse and what was your first visit like?
I Googled best shoulder docs, and I came up with Dr. Kruse, set an appointment, and I got to the point where I couldn't sleep at night, so I knew it was time to see a doc. And when I went and saw him, he told me that he could take away my pain immediately, which he did. I had both shoulders replaced and the pain was gone immediately.
Wow, okay, so he came through, right?
He did, absolutely.
Yeah, so when was your last shoulder surgery and what was the recovery like?
My last shoulder was done 10 weeks ago, my left shoulder. My right shoulder was done 6 months ago. Had immediate relief from pain, a lot better mobility. I'm able to dress again without pain, to pick up my grandson and play with him, and that's the most important thing.
That's sweet. Oh my goodness. Okay, so Dr. Kruse, what are some fears that patients may have when because surgery is a scary thing, right? So what are some of those fears?
I think, in particularly with shoulder surgery, some of the fears patients have are, you hear a lot of stories about, a brutal recovery where, yes, you have a lot of pain and dysfunction, but you're going to have way more pain. You're going to be stuck in a sling for 6 weeks or longer in order to get that recovery. And most of our patients have a story similar to Taylor's, where the pain goes away very quickly, and we don't make patients wear slings after shoulder replacements.
Nice.
So I think those are two things that we can mitigate with the techniques we use.
Okay, so what makes your surgical process different from other doctors?
So I think a couple things. For one, we are hyper specialized in the shoulder. And if you look at, all surgeons doing shoulder surgery, because we're so specialized, we perform, 99% more surgeries on the shoulder than all the other doctors doing shoulder surgery. So that's one. I think the techniques we use, like with Taylor's shoulder, it was a muscle sparing, bone sparing approach that decreases pain after surgery, speeds up recovery time, also allows us to feel comfortable letting patients move their arm right away without a sling. And then third thing is, we use these cutting edge artificial intelligence based technologies where everything is customized and individualized to the patient. And so everything is mapped out, and both of Taylor's shoulders were mapped and custom fit to him. And that, improves the accuracy of the surgery and also decreases our surgical time to less than 30 minutes. So when you combine all those things together, I think, the outcomes speak for themselves.
Yeah, okay, so Taylor, if there's someone at home who's thinking, maybe I want to do this, but they're afraid, what would you say to them?
I would say don't hesitate. After I had my shoulder surgery, I was in a sling for 2 to 3 days, very minimal pain meds, and I've been pain-free ever since. He gave me my quality of life back.
It's a new life.
I waited way too long, so there's minimal pain. Do it. He'll take care of your pain.
He said, do it now, y'all. All right, well, Dr. Kruse has offices in Dallas and in Plano. Go online and book your appointment today at kevinkrusemd.com or call 214-390-3815. Again, that number is 214-390-3815.